To begin, open the TikTok app on your phone. Log into your TikTok account, if you haven't already. Now go to your profile from the bottom right corner. Then tap the three lines from the top right corner. From the pop-up menu, select Settings and Privacy. Under the Account section, go to Privacy. In the Interactions section, select Comments. Here you will find the option Filter Unwanted Comments. Simply toggle the slider next to it to turn it on. From now on, TikTok will automatically filter spam, offensive, or inappropriate comments, ensuring your comment section stays clean and easier to manage. You can also filter specific keywords from this section. Just toggle the slider to enable it. Enter the words or phrases you want to block. Simply go back, and TikTok will automatically hide any comments containing them. So that's how you can filter and block unwanted comments on TikTok.